Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use PhotoRoom to create Amazon ready product images that look clean and professional. So let's get started. First, open the PhotoRoom app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with that account. In order to get started, tap Start from Photo, then choose a clear product image from your gallery. Make sure that the product is well light and clearly visible. As soon as you select the image, PhotoRoom will automatically remove the background using AI and you will be redirected to a page with different editing tools. For Amazon listing, a pure white background is required, so you can just scroll down until you see the classic section. Within it, you will get different photo previews. Tap on white where it opens the editors. Now you can just simply tap on the background icon given and choose colors and make sure that the background is in white. After confirming, you can also make the image more professional by tapping on the layers icon. Within it, tap vehicles. Then it will give different options like replace, edit, cutout, crop. You can choose any based on your preference. If you want to clear the edges, you can just simply tap on edit cutout, then use erase or restore based on your needs. After that, tap done, and you can also add soft shadows through the shadow icon. Then choose soft option, and after choosing, click on apply the shadow where it will successfully apply the soft shadow in the image. Lastly, you can also resize the image if you want by tapping on the resize icon. You can choose square or set dimensions that meet Amazon's image guidelines like a square format with enough resolution for zoom. After editing, when your image is ready, you can just simply tap on save. And from the ready to share screen, please make sure to choose save to camera roll if it is not clicked, as well as exporting in SD if your account is upgraded. And after finalizing your export setting, simply tap close design where it will successfully save the image in your gallery. And that's how you can use PhotoRoom to create Amazon product images easily and professionally, which is perfect for sellers who want clean, compliant listing photos. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.